Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim the Wicked codes and Dress to Impress. So I don't know why people keep asking, even though I've made a video, even though it's super clear what the codes are, but if you don't know what it is, you're just going to go to the codes section. The first one being Glinda, just her name, you get these items, and the second one being Elphaba. Ta-da! And this is where you can get all these items. Just enter those code in and you'll get it. And here's kind of like the new kind of room that they have. I say kind of like 10 times, but yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!